This survey I am about to share with you is actually a legit survey that I actually registered with, and they are paying. So let's go. This is the screen of my phone. As you can see, this is what my phone looks like. Now I even have them on my personal WhatsApp. Most of the time when they send me mails, I don't get to see the mails very early, so I get some messages and I had to opt in for their direct WhatsApp channel messages. So this is my WhatsApp. I've opened it. Now let's go straight to where the message is. Now this is the message. As you can see, it was sent to me today around 6:45. This is 18:45, which equivalent to 6:45. So if I click on it, this is what I get. I get a message from them. They're saying that the panel station turns 15. Now this is what the station looks like. This is exactly what this station looks like. The panelstation.com. This is their page, and all you have to do is we are celebrating and you're invited to celebrate with us. You just click on the read more. Now every effort is rewarded like never before. When you come to Chrome browser and you open your Chrome browser like this and you type panel station survey. Now you allow it to load. Now this is the panelstation.com. This is panel station. Now you click on this, the panelstation.com. Let it load. It's loading. Now this is what their platform looks like. This is the panel station itself. This is what their platform looks like. All you have to do is to take their surveys. You can choose to sign in. You can choose to sign in if you like, or you choose to register. So now I'll be clicking on the register button so that you all will see what data you all will see what the platform is about. As you can see, this is the main platform. Once you click on register, it says turn your opinions. They become a part of our global community of 6.3 million survey takers. Share your opinions, influence brands, and get rewarded. Let's make your voice count. So now when we scroll down, we see their partners. It says turn your opinions into rewards. Choose from the range of amazing gifts vouchers from top brands across the world. So one of their major brands is Jumia. We have Rough and Traffic, or Rough and Tumble. Now any information you want to get, they have it on their platform. It says, what is Panel Station? Panel Station is a global community where you can share your opinions through paid surveys and earn money online. Join millions of members worldwide, influence brands and get paid. Now you can click on how do I get started to learn more. You can click on the option what will I get if I sign up, or you can just come straight down here to say sign up with your Gmail or sign up with Google, anyone you choose to sign up with. So we'll be signing up with Google here. Okay, we have to accept terms and conditions, and then you sign up with Google. You allow it to load. Voila, this is what it looks like. Oluwakemi, your account is now active. You can dive into survey and earn 4,500 points. Now 700 points is equals to 500 naira. 700 points is equivalent to 500 naira. So imagine you have about, maybe let's say 150,000 points. That's more or less more than 5,000 or so, more than that. So you have to scroll down for you to go around the platform. You can click on the start now if you want to start taking surveys, or you wait for them to send you a message if there is any survey available for you to do. Now I've clicked on the start now, and it says welcome to our preliminary survey, Oluwakemi. This is what the surveys look like. You can start if you like. So now because of the time, I won't be starting any survey, but if you sign up on the platform, you can just click on let's start. The survey has started. This is what you do. This is what you do on the survey. You fill in your details. After filling in your details, you get up with your survey. Now at this point, if you have not liked our video, please do well to like our video, subscribe to our channel if you have not, and share this video. So if you want me to do a full tutorial, a full video on how you can get started with the survey, the types of survey you need to choose, the type of information you need to give them for them to be supplying you survey every month, do well to drop it in the comment section, and I will do well to create a video about that. Thank you.